It has a huge box. I didn't look at the dimensions, but it's something for my house. Okay, there's a smaller box in here, so we're good. Ugh. Spinning it around. I can't open it. My daughter got me scissors because she's awesome. Thank you, Aurora. I said thank you for the scissors. Okay. I'm excited. Guys, it gets over 100 degrees where I live. And I don't have central AC. Okay. I didn't drop it. So I just put this on. So I just gotta screw this on. This is the base. So it says. It comes with these ice packs. So I need to put water in them and put them in the freezer. So this is what she's looking like. It does come with a remote. So that's awesome. So I will be using that tonight. So hopefully it works. If you want to know, just ask.